All right. Time to start day 3. And the last of my pre-recorded videos, because in a couple hours I will be leaving to go pick up my son because we're going on an adventure. He, for whatever reason, has decided that some little critter called a hyrax, which to me looks like a groundhog with vampire teeth. There's multiple pages, and it's just these 2. Is like the bee's knees, and so we're gonna go see one for his Christmas present this year. We are going, actually, by the time this comes up, it's already going to be a completed trip. We are going to New York, flying down to go to the Bronx Zoo and to see this hyrax, whatever it is. Which it only took me about, I don't know, a year for me to not call it a hyrax. So I'm pretty impressed with myself that I'm actually pronouncing it correctly, although that's still what I want to call it. Who knows? That's what he wants. He wants an excuse to have a trip for Christmas. So as his Christmas present, that's what we're doing. We're going to New York together to see this animal, etc. But I had planned on coming back from the trip and doing this, because we really are doing really whirlwind trip. But then I'm like, I'm going to be exactly as dead could be by the time I get back from this trip. And for some reason, I'm awake now. So may as well do this so I don't have to be like an absolute zombie attempting to make a video in the middle of the night when we get back. Okay. That's this level. Now there's this. This is going so fast. Okay, so this thing goes under here. This goes here. Okay. Goes. Really? All right. There and there. Oh yeah, would you look at that? It actually does line up. At least I'm still doing it right, even though I can't get it. It seems to get down on there. There we go. And the last step is this on the outside, this one toward the middle, and continue that little wall or whatever we're making. And there we go. And actually, this was such a simple bag. I bet I could have done this absolutely exhausted after a whirlwind 36 hours in New York. But I've done it now. And now it's waiting for you. And we'll see you tomorrow with the next step. Bye.